everyone, this is Paramita, Salesforce engineer. Now, in my last video, I have, like in part one, I have discussed the business use case, and then I have shown in part two, I have shown you like how to design the website. Okay, different ways how you can choose the theme, how you can change the theme, um, you can modify the look and feel, etc. So if you haven't watched that yet, I will suggest you to go back and to watch part one and part two, and then come back here. Now, before enabling the knowledge, what I want to do, I want to create some users, okay? Some customers, users, partners, users, because when I will create knowledge, I will uh, design that data visibility, like some informations customers will be able to see, some informations partners will be able to see, but not the customers, those kind of things. So when I will create that data visibility structure, I want to log in as customer users or uh, as partner user and to check that functionality what I will create is working or not. So to do that, we will create one customer user and one partner user first. Okay. Now, how to create customer user, how to create partner user, I am going to explain to you, and I'll show you hands-on. And so uh, basically, I want to tell you about the licenses, in Experience Cloud, quite a few types of licenses are there, like customer community license, customer community plus, partner community, channel account, external app, external identity, etc. Okay, so the customer users, they should have customer community license to access the site, or customer community plus. Similarly, partner users, they should have partner community license. Now, I'm not going into detail. Maybe I will create separate videos for these topics. If you want to know more, you can go to Trailhead and you can find out. So like that. So otherwise, I will not be able to finish it up. Now, for this project, mainly I would like to create customers, users, and partner user. Now, the site can be made self registration also, like I can give the facility for the people who are already not in our org, like to do the self registration. But as I said that in this project, uh, I will I will prefer to do some certain things, otherwise it's going to be too big. So I am not keeping the self registration option here in this project. Okay, maybe in another project I will do that. So that's why I am just going to create from within CRM one customer user and one partner user. Okay, so I am here in my playground now. So before doing anything, what I am going to do, okay, this is the home. If I go to accounts, I think here there will already be some accounts, all accounts. Yeah, there are already some accounts. Okay. Uh, and what I'm going to do, I will create one contacts. Okay. We will have some errors and difficulties there. Like when I will create one new contact and I will try to enable it as a customer, because I want to show you what are the difficulties and what we should know in this case. Okay, so to do this, I am creating one contact from the scratch. I'll create one contact from the scratch. uh, Salutation, Mr. First name Adam, last name Maxwell. Okay, so suppose I'm creating a contact, Adam Maxwell. I am leaving the account name empty. Okay, saved. So we got a new contact, Adam Maxwell. Okay, now I want to convert it to customer user. Okay, so before doing all this, what we need to do, we will go to setup. Okay, in the setup, in the quick find box. Okay, we'll go to all sites. I'm already here in the all sites, and now I will go to my workspace. In the workspace, and in here I will go to administration. Okay, so in administration I will go to members. Yeah, now we have to do it fast because uh here see the available profiles. Okay, now they are available internal profiles. Now we will find out the profiles for customer. Find all. Oh, if we for yeah, if we find the profile for the customer here, actually you can say customer community login user, customer community plus customer community user, all these things you can see here. Okay, so now what profile we are going to add to this members, those profile holder will be able to access this site. Okay, now these things you have to do for each site. Can you remember, like, you can make multiple sites in a org, not just one. Like in developers org, I think you can create up to 100 sites. So for each site your users may be different. Okay, so for each site you have to do this. You have to add the profile, which profiles you want to allow to access your site. Now here I am allowing customer community user, but in reality actually when you will do in the company, most of the time what's going to happen, they will not directly use this profile. These are like standard profiles provided by Salesforce. Most of the times what we will do, we will clone these and we will create our custom profile, custom community users profile. Okay, and to be used for different sites. So that's how we can control the access. All right, so I am allow here. I'm not just cloning and creating another profile. It will take time. So because here my purpose is to show you how to create the Experience Cloud project. Okay, so these are the things we can discuss later on. So I am just allow the customer community user. I will also allow customer community plus users. I will also allow some partner profile. I'll shake here partner. So I'll say gold partner user, partner community login, partner community user. Okay. So these are the profiles I am allowing here. You can always come back and you can make the changes here, not a problem. Okay, now I will save. So this is a must step. If you don't do that, uh, your user will not be able to access the site. Okay, so save. So I saved. Now, yeah, so now I am here with my new contact, Mr. Adam Maxwell. Okay, now if I click on this drop down, I should get an option called enable customer user. Okay, that's how we can manually enable, we can manually convert one contact to site user. Okay, I should get an option called enable customer user, but I'm not getting that here. Okay, so there can be quite a few reasons. First, we have to check our contact layout. Okay, if in that contact page layout we don't have that enable customer user button, we have to bring it. So to do that, we'll go to the setup again, and we'll go to object manager, contact, and then page layout. So right now we have contact layout. So in the contact layout, so you have to check this Salesforce mobile and lightning experience actions. Okay, we have to check this. We click here. We have enable customer user, enable partner user. We have already that in our page layout, but still you can see here we have enable customer user, enable partner user, but any of those are not visible. We'll talk about the partner user later on. First, I will finish this enable customer user. So even if it's in page layout, we are not able to see that here. Okay, when we click, we are not able to see. Now, another reason is this: the contact must be connected to an account. Now, here I want to say, tell about like we can convert contact to the customer user. We can convert person also to the customer user. Person is a separate account. You have to be enable this like contacting the Salesforce support. And normally here in developer, so will not be able to see that. So in your org, if you want to activate personal account, you have to contact Salesforce support, and you have to enable that. Like that is used like when you get some individual customers, they're not connected to any account. So then they create the personal account. Okay. So, yeah, so we don't have personal account here. So now this is the contact I created newly, but it's not connected to any account at the moment. Okay. So that's why we are not getting that option called enable customer user. Now what I'm going to do, I will connect this contact to one of my account. Now I wanted to create one account, like this is a builder, so like real estate agent or something I wanted to, but just to save my time, I am connecting it to one existing contact in the org. Okay, so I will say edit account name. So I will put one account plus new account. Okay, there is an option to create a new account also. Okay, then I'm just creating one new account here. Okay, so I'll give ABC, just the account name. Everything I'm just leaving it blank. Okay, blank. Save. Okay, so account name is ABC now. So account is created, and I will save this contact now. All right. So this is now connected to one account. Okay, so we'll refresh the page. I think still we are not going to get that option because another reason is there. Are we getting any option? Enable customer. Oh yeah, we are getting enable customer user. That's good. So this is like one more thing I'm telling you. I didn't get the error. Probably I have already solved that. That is like uh, that account owner, like this contact is connected to the account ABC account, the account owner. At this moment, I will be the account owner because I'm the only person here, system administrator, and I have created that account. I must have one role, okay, like CEO or any role in this organization. I'm my user. When I check the user, I must have one role. Otherwise, also you will not get this enable customer user option. Okay, so I already got that enable customer user options now, so I don't need to specify any role for me. I think I have already done that before. Okay, so now I will click on enable customer user. Yeah, see when, yeah. So now user license and profile you can choose. I am going to use the customer community license and profile customer community user. Okay, yeah, so name, email. Now, once I save this, he is going to receive the email in this email ID mentioned here. Okay. Another thing I would like to do, yeah, this one is already checked by default. Generate new password and notify user immediately. So once I save the, this is, he is going to get an email in this email address. Okay. And then he can use that link provided there and you can create his new password. Okay, now I will save. Okay, all right, so if I go to my email address now, I will, okay, yeah, so you got that error, sorry, you got that error which I was talking about. For self-registration user creation, to create or update users for this profile, go to setup, settings, and select allow using standard external profiles for self-registration, user creation, and login. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is one thing we haven't done that because I thought it's required only for self-registration. Okay. So if we go to the setup, we go to all sites. We have to go to settings. Okay. Oh, sorry. We have to go to digital experience. Digital experience and then settings. Yeah. So here we have to choose this one, allow using standard external profiles for self-registration, user creation, and login. Okay, that's what we have to check. See, Hmm. That's what they said. Yeah, I had to do that before. So we checked this one, allow using standard external profiles for self-registration, user creation, and login, and then save. Yeah, so now we will save. Yes, I told you about that error, that it will give an error if the account owner has no role. I thought I have said it already. No, I haven't said that one. So I have to give a role to myself first. So I am the account owner. That means what I'm trying to say. I will just tell you. So I'll go to the I'll go to the sales, and then if I go to accounts, see, this is the new account I created, ABC, okay? And who is the owner here? It's me, okay? It's my alias. So I am the owner, and if I go to my user, like, yeah, I'll go to setup again. If I go to users, yeah, you can see this is me, okay? Now I am system administrator, but see role is empty. I don't have any role, okay? So what we have to do, I will edit my user and role. Here I have to give a role. Any role I can choose from here, I have to give, okay? So if the account owner is without role, then he will not be able to convert the contact to the uh, customer user. Okay, so I just gave it a role, CEO, and save. Now I will go to contact. The contact name was Adam Maxwell, this one. Okay, so now I will click on enable customer user and all done. So now we have fixed all the error, like the contact is connected to account, and the account owner has got a role, and we have also checked uh, in the settings, in the digital experience settings, that allow profile for external user, creating user, etc. Okay, so we'll save. I think we have fixed everything, whatever we needed for this. So I wanted to show you hands-on all these difficulties so that you will never forget that. Even if you get the error, you will know that how to fix that error. Okay. All right. So now see our this Adam Maxwell has been activated as customer community user. Okay. And he will be able to access our site. Now, there will be an option login to experience as user. Okay, so either you can do it like this from your within site, like you can log in as Adam, or you can go to that email where the email has been sent to create a password. You can create your password, and you can use that username and password to log in to our site which we have created. Okay, so now I will use this one, login to experience as user, and see what happens. So similarly here I am logged in my site, okay, as Adam Maxwell right now. If you click on here, and if you see the, so basically Adam will see the site like this. Okay, so we have created the customer user. Now we are going to create the partner user. Okay, so to do that, we will go to the home, and here if we click on accounts, we will go to all accounts. excuse me. Yeah, so I can create a new account actually. I'll create a new account. Like I want it to be my partner account. Like I said that this is a because this is a construction company, Paramita and Builders. So I will create one account for one real estate agent. Now suppose the name will be XYZ Real Estate. Oh, sorry. Real Estate Limited. Okay, so XYZ Real Estate Limited is basically one real estate agent who sells our apartments and houses, okay, on behalf of us. So what happens, so they are like our partner, they help us to sell our apartments and stuff. Now who are their contact? I haven't created any contact here. I will create one contact person whom we can contact on behalf of XYZ Real Estate Limited. Okay, so the name I will give Caroline McDonald. All right, so we created this contact which is connected to that account XYZ Real Estate Limited. Okay, so now we want to enable this contact as partner user, okay, not the customer user. Now we'll go to the drop down. We can see enable customer user, but we can't see enable partner user. Okay, now we can see enable customer user because all the three conditions, like I am the account owner, I have been allocated one role, and then the page layout has got this button we have checked, and also in the settings we have checked another thing like use profile, external user, etc., that thing. So you have already seen that previously just before enabling the customer user. Okay, so all those conditions are now satisfied. So here we can see the enable customer user, but till now we can't see the enable partner user. Why? Because this account, okay, to which this contact is related, it has to be enabled as partner as well. Until we enable it as partner, the system, the CRM is not going to consider it as a partner. Okay, so we have to enable the partner in this account. So we'll go to that XYZ Real Estate Limited account and we will click on this top right corner drop down. Here you will see enable as partner. We have to click on that, then it will ask here. Okay, see, it's written here, partner users can be created from contacts associated with this account. Okay, so click on enable as partner. Yeah, so now if you click here on the same drop down, see, you will see disable partner account. Okay, that means the partner has been enabled as the account has been enabled as partner. Now if I go to Caroline, this contact, if I click on this drop down, we can see, okay, still we can't see the enable partner. Okay, I will refresh that. Okay, let's try. Yes, see, after refreshing the page we can see enable partner users. So now we can do both, enable customer users, enable partner users, both options are available. Now this is related to our partner account. We want to enable it as partner user, so enable partner user. Okay, so previously we already created the customer user. Now this one we are going to create a partner user. Now similarly the role, this one I will, sorry, the license. First I'll change the license. The license I'll do partner community license. Okay, and the profile partner community user. Yeah, yeah. So now it's done. Now this contact uh, has been converted to partner community user. So now if we go to Sales Cloud, and if I go to contact, if I check this contact, and if I click here, see, now we are getting disable partner use. Okay, before it was enable partner use, now it's disable partner use. Okay, so that means and also you can see that there is no enable customer user. Okay, so that is not appearing because she is now partner user, and you can disable her as a partner user here. Okay, so that means it's partner user we have done. Similarly, if we go back to contacts, and if we see our that another contact, Adam Maxwell, we created that as a customer user. Now if we go here, see, you can see disable customer user. Okay, so that means this is enabled as customer user. Okay, so all done. So now we have created one customer user and one partner user. So as a summary, I'm just mentioning, so remember these things. To create a customer user, that I mean to convert one contact to customer user, that contact must be connected to an account, and also the person who is the account owner, the account owner should have some role. Okay, like in this situation, I am the account owner, I have system administrator permission, but I didn't have any role, so I have allocated myself a role like CEO. You can allocate any role, okay, to the account owner, but it has to be like that. And then partner, in the to convert one contact to as a partner user, what you need to do, you have to enable the account as partner. Okay, it can previously, if it's a partner account, then only its contact can be converted to partner user. Okay, so these are two very important things you got to remember about the creating users. Now in this site, we don't have any self-registered option. If there was self-registered option, the users could be able to register themselves, but I am not going to activate that option here in this site. Maybe I will create another website using the Experience Cloud. There probably I am going to show you that facilities. Okay, so I will finish this video here. Hope you liked it. If you like, just give it a like and subscribe my channel if you haven't done that yet. And in my next video, I am going to discuss about how to enable the knowledge base in this experience side, and how to create data visibility, like some articles may be created for customers, only customers will be able to see that. Some articles may be created only for the partners will be able to see that, customers will not be able to see those. So these kind of things we are going to create. We'll create some articles also, and after that we will show like how to map the topics to the article, how to create featured topics, and how to manage the topics, articles, etc. Okay, so from the next video, it's going to be quite intense. Stay tuned. See you to the next video. Bye bye.